Hey guys, this is Mark. I wanted to give you a quick overview of a feature we just released, which provides support for a two-factor authentication when you log in to your account in Backendless Console. We have heard from multiple users who asked for this feature, so now it is available. The concept is very simple. You enable two-factor authentication, and when you log in to Backendless Console, a code is a 6-digit or 5-digit code is emailed to you, and you use this code to log in to a Backendless Console. Since many of you run mission-critical applications and the data that is in Backendless Console is very important, and understandably so, you want to make sure that the access to Backendless Console is secure. This will give you that additional level of security in order to access Backendless Console and your data. So let's dig in and see how it works. In order to enable two-factor authentication for your account, log in to Backendless Console as you do it now and navigate to the My Account section. To get there, in the upper right corner where you see your avatar, click the avatar and you will navigate to the Account section of Backendless Console, which is rather feature-rich at this point. There's a lot of stuff in there available, but we're focusing on two-factor authentication. So you will see this button right here. Right now I already had it enabled, but it will appear like this: enable two-factor authentication. So click the button, there's going to be a confirmation pop-up, confirm, and at this point the two-factor authentication is enabled. Ignore this toggle. It says System Developer Mode. This is strictly for our internal use, so you will not see it in there. But so basically, this is the button to use. So now the two-factor authentication is enabled for my account, and now I log out. And once I log in, that's going to look like this. So it will ask for this verification code, and the verification code is going to be emailed to your email address, the one that you registered with, and just head out to your inbox and you will see an email that looks like this. So this is the email, then just copy the code and then you go back, paste the code, and you're now signed in to Backendless Console with two-factor authentication. If you need to disable it, you know how to do it. Again, go to My Account and just disable it. But it's very, very easy to use, and I hope you find it very useful. Thank you for watching this video, and as always, happy coding with Backendless.